Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum and a very happy good morning to all my dear students. I hope you all must be feeling more fresh and enthusiastic towards your studies after the weekend. Now welcome back to your English class. As you know, today is 14th of December and the day is Monday. And now it's the time for your English class, so please open your English e-books. Let's open it and see which topic today we have to complete. Students, you know that we have started unit number 10, export quality, given on page number 115. We have completed its question answers in our previous class. And today we will complete its book exercise given on page number 121. Students, today we will complete its exercise C1 given on page number 121. Let's see. Fill in the blanks in the sentences given below. Use one of the ways shown. See the box to express the future. Students, over here there is given a box or a word bank. Now with the help of this box there is given option A, B, C and D. With the help of these options you have to complete the sentences. Let's see. First, A is shall, will plus verb. It is showing your future tense. Am is are plus going to. C, present continuous tense. D, simple present tense, means present indefinite tense. Now students, over here the word bank is about the tenses. If you know the tenses, then it will be very easy for you people to complete the exercise or these sentences. Let's see the example. The train dash at 9 o'clock. Arrive and D. D option is showing simple present tense, mean verb is given arrive and you have to use present indefinite tense, and with the help of present indefinite tense you have to change this verb. The train arrives at 9 o'clock. The train arrives at 9 o'clock. We add s with arrive because we have to use simple present tense, and simple present tense we add s and es with first form of verb with pronoun it. So the train shows it and we add s with the arrive. The train arrives at 9 o'clock. The shop closes at noon. We add s because we have to change this option, or we have to change this verb in present tense, present indefinite tense. Shaista is going to bake a cake tomorrow morning. Bake. B option is are going to. Shaista is single. Over here Shaista is showing single noun, so we will add is going to be. We are going to the station to meet Uncle Bob this evening. Girl and C. C option is showing your present continuous tense, and in present continuous tense we add is are helping verb with verb ing. Let's see. We are going to the station to meet Uncle Bob this evening. We is a plural pronoun and we add are with plural. We are going to the station to meet Uncle Bob this evening. Next is the committee meets in this room at 10. The committee meets in this room at 10. Simple present tense. I shall write to my brother this afternoon. He will receive the letter next week. Now over here next week and this afternoon, these two words are showing that this is a future indefinite tense, so we will add shall with I and will with he. The Prime Minister addresses the nation on television tonight. Address, we add es over here because with he, she and it we add s and es with the form of verb in simple present tense. So the Prime Minister is he pronoun, and with he we add es or s. The Prime Minister addresses the nation on television tonight. He is coming here tonight. See, present continuous tense. He is a single pronoun, and with single pronoun we use helping verb is. He is coming here tonight. He is leaving for Karachi in the morning. Leave, and option C Option C is present continuous tense, and in present continuous tense we use he is leaving for Karachi in the morning. We add ing with first form of verb and we use is helping verb with single pronoun. Now students, complete this exercise with the help of this box given with different tenses. I hope you all understood about it. If you feel any query or if you want to ask any question, I am there to tell you. Thank you class. Have a fabulous day.